Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to bring you a plan with me video. So I hope you like it. I've had a few requests from people to do this. So stay tuned. Okay, so these are the items I use in my planning. This is my planner. I actually bought this cover separately for it. It came with a plastic cover like the Happy Planners do, and I wanted a more sturdy cover. And it did come with this pen holder, but this pen is actually from the Target Dollar Spot, as well as the tassel. So that's the planner. It's a standard size Happy Planner, not the large. And then I have this sticker book, and I got this from Target, and it was originally $6. And you can see it has an Alice in Wonderland theme on it, but I got it on clearance, and the sticker pages aren't necessarily Alice in Wonderland. They have black and white flowers, you know, some rose-colored flowers. This one's kind of like a tea party. So it's not, here's some bees. So even though it does have these Cheshire cats and the stopwatch on it, you can use some of the stickers for other purposes, and I've used them in a lot of my different spreads, the different colored ones. Here's some that's just like wildflowers. So I'm going to use stickers from this book, and then this is where we store our washi. This is actually my daughter's, and I put my washi in it too because there was room, but I have a rule: I'm not going to get any washi that doesn't fit into this container. So we have to use up washi before we can get new washi. And so this bottom has these kind of prismatic tapes, and you do need to use an X-Acto knife or scissors to cut those. And then these are mine back here, and then these are kind of more holiday ones in this area, and then some overflow from other areas that didn't fit. This next drawer up has a lot of black, gold, and then pink. There's some Halloween ones right here. There's a few purple in there too. Most of these are my daughter's. And then this top one, these are pretty much all my daughter's. It has gold, and then turquoise, aqua, some green, and then you can see there penguins, because she loves penguins. So what I'll probably be doing, because the week I'm going to be planning is the week she's graduating from school, my daughter, is I'm going to probably take a mix of this rose tape that I recently got on clearance from Michael's, and this black and white polka dots, and she loves polka dots. Maybe I'll throw in some penguins. I'm not sure how they will look with all of that. That might be too much pattern, but she does love the penguins, and I want to be able to honor that for her. And then I'll probably use some of the black and white stickers in here. So there's this page that has black and white, this one, and then this one. And this kind of looks, I thought, a lot like this washi. So I probably will go with these stickers in this washi. So then I have this little area set up on my counter right now where I've been storing my supplies. I eventually think I move this upstairs to my craft area, but I don't have that really organized right now. And so this is the week I'm planning. And as you can see, I'm using some Post-it notes here for various things. And I do zone cleaning in my house, not Fly Lady, but I do zones. And so I have the zone I want to do that week, and then I have specific things that I want to do each day. And I can move them around by using the Post-it notes. I reuse these. So for instance, this day is my daughter's graduation, so I'm not going to be able to do any cleaning that day, so I need to do more the next day. And I have written out tasks that take 15 to 20 minutes for me to do every day. And I like to do those 15 to 20 minute tasks during the week, and that way I can have my weekends free to do other things if I need to. If you'd like me to show you how I came up with my zones and how I decided what to clean on what day, leave me a comment down below, because I do have a particular reason why I zoned my house the way I did. And now I will start to plan, and I will probably do it in sped up mode with a voiceover so that you don't have to sit and watch me do a whole half an hour of planning, or more if I can't decide what I'm going to put where. So stay tuned. So I like to start my planning by putting down my washi. And I don't use the headers in the Happy Planner that say morning, afternoon, and evening. So I like to cover them up with the washi. And here I'm cutting down the washi so that it is narrower because I didn't want it as wide as it was. So I just split it in half. I like to do a lot of white space planning, and I don't like to cover everything up. And here I'm showing you I'm using another piece of washi down at the bottom. So I leave a lot of open space in my planner because I actually do plan in it, as opposed to some people who buy sticker kits and they fill up every bit of space on the page with stickers that they've purchased. But those kits can be very expensive, $20 or $30 just for 1 week. So I like to buy my stickers at Michael's when they're on sale, or at the Target dollar spot, or I even will print stickers online. These are actually stickers I purchased from Etsy, however. They are graduation countdown penguins. And my younger daughter, as I mentioned, loves penguins. And so I thought, since I was able to find these graduation countdowns, they were perfect for her. So I did go ahead and buy those, but it was only $2 for that whole sheet of countdown stickers. So here I'm just adding a little bit of embellishment with some leftover stick-on jewels that I had from some party invitations, and I was going to use those up for her graduation day. Then I often don't leave the calendar in the corner as a calendar. I don't really need it since I have the dates at the top. So here I'm taking one of the larger decorative flower stickers from the book, and I'm going to cut off some parts of it that were a little bit big. So that's a tip for you. If a sticker doesn't quite fit where you want it, and you can cut off some pieces and not really impact it at all, go ahead and do that, and then you can use those other pieces in other areas of the planner. So now I'm taking a sticker that says Make It Count. Those came actually with my Happy Planner. I didn't buy those, and I've been trying to use them up over time. And then I wanted to cover up the red where it said June for the month, so I'm taking this glitter washi and I'm going to use an X-Acto knife and trim it down. And I'm using just like a rewards card as a guide. You could use a ruler, but I needed 2 pieces since it was wider than the washi that I was using. And then I'm going to put that Make It Count over the top of that. That way I don't have any red showing in that area, and I've covered up the calendar. Now I'm looking for places to put the leftover pieces that I cut off. And now I'm going to take these stickers that I printed off the internet and cut a couple of them off and use them to show what zone I'm cleaning this week. And then also I'm going to put a goals section where I'm going to have a habit tracker for tracking my vitamins. All of those I found online and printed them off. Now this one I'm showing there, I have a little spray bottle on a sticker pack I bought at Michael's, and so I'm just putting that down by my zone cleaning so it's clear that that's for cleaning. I do not have a Cricut or a Silhouette, so if I print stickers offline, I have to cut them out with scissors or with hole punches. And there's the habit tracker I'm talking about, so I'm just trimming it down, and I'll put it down and then I will write in vitamins along the side. Next, I'm going to put down my workout stickers that came in a sticker book I got for $1 at the Target dollar spot. And it happened to have these workout stickers. In a little bit, I'm going to show you the stickers I usually use, which are ones I printed out that I found online, and they look like someone sitting in the lotus position, And I like to use those because I usually do yoga for my workout. But I didn't have any that matched, so I decided to use the ones from the sticker book instead. And now I am going to cut out these stickers that I also printed off that I found online, and they are little 3-heart checklists, and I use those, or sometimes boxes, to indicate what particularly I am going to clean that day. I think I mentioned this earlier, I'm not sure, but I do like to schedule my cleaning in the zone for only 15 to 20 minutes, because it's easy to do that before work. And now I'm just showing you how I put down some dots for my meals every day, and then a weekend sticker for Saturday and Sunday. And then Saturday and Sunday mornings like to have breakfast with my husband, so I put down stickers for that. And now I'm showing you the YouTube icons that I have also printed out, and I am cutting out gray and black ones since those will go with the color scheme for this week. Usually I take Wednesdays off, but because I'm not going to be around on Monday for my daughter's graduation, I am going to put a filming sticker every day of the week. And then this one was an asterisk type sticker, and I'm just noting that it's the summer solstice on that day. And now the fun part, I'm going to do a little more decorating with the flower stickers just here and there to make it pretty. I hope this gave you some ideas for using a planner. I know I've had a few requests from people, as I said in the beginning, to show how I go about doing my planning, and I thought it might be helpful to show you as well. If you'd like to see more of these, please leave me a comment down below. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you're new to my channel and you've come because of this planner video, I'd like to let you know I do several videos a week, at least every Tuesday and Thursday, on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. And I often post more videos than that. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.